Hello there, you beautiful soul, and welcome back to Wellness Talks with Rebecca Munoz. I'm back once again to not only remind you of how amazing and abundant you are, but I'm also here to introduce you to Isagenix, a wellness solution that has transformed my life over the last 5 years. Um, Something that I never imagined that could happen to me. In the ability to transform mind, body, and soul. And this is the types of conversations that we have here on this wellness channel is how to transform mind, body, soul, whether it is with the food that we're eating, with the conversations that we're having, or the environments that we're putting ourselves in. And Isagenix became such a catalyst for change for me in every single area of my life. Whether I was putting something nutritious into my body that came from Isagenix, or whether it was going to an event with a community of people from all over the world, whether in person or online, that, they were just pouring belief and just transformative experiences into my life and into the people that I have introduced Isagenix to, as well as the other people that I have met part of this community. So I'm so grateful to have the opportunity to be able to introduce you to Isagenix, whether you are using it in your daily life already or you are new to the concepts of Isagenix. I welcome you and thank you so much for taking the time to join me today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And I'm going to share with you a presentation that explains more what Isagenix is. And so Isagenix is a company that is all about the art of well-being. And so as I mentioned at the beginning of my call, I have been implementing this lifestyle into my life for 5 years. And when it initially came into my life, it was to transform my body. Really, I remember I was training for the LA Marathon, and my friend from Chicago called me up and had explained to me what Isagenix was. And so I did my due diligence and did my research, and I found that it fit really well into the lifestyle that I had already started creating. And so I decided to join and see what the movement was all about. And so before I get started, I want to just share with you these disclaimers. Just know that Isagenix is an opportunity not only for you to incorporate wellness solutions with superfoods, but also to be able to make an income, to use this as a vehicle to create financial freedom into your life. So with that being said, you will have to put the conscious effort in order for you to experience, the change and transformation that Isagenix has to offer with all the wellness solutions, including creating financial wealth. So just so you know that every single person who has had a transformation or has had the ability to create financial wealth with this opportunity, they have all, taken initiative and taken full responsibility of their life in order for them to achieve, this amount of success that they've achieved. So with anything, it's going to take intention and effort on your part in order for you to make this work. So there are solutions that we offer, as a company and as an individual ambassadors of this company, for the opportunity for anyone that is seeking a solution to either lose weight, to improve finances, to maybe incorporate this as a side hustle or a new job, to eat healthier and to manage stress better. So we have solutions for just about anybody. And our vision is that everyone deserves to experience a healthy, joyful, and abundant life in everything that we do, including the smallest person in your family to the oldest and wisest person in your family. There is nobody that is left behind here. So Isagenix was established in 2002 by the Coovers, Jim and Kathy Coover. It is a family-owned operating in 26 markets globally, nearly 8 billion total in global sales since 2002, more than 300 individuals who have earned more than 1 million cumulatively in their Isagenix business, internationally trusted and respected, over 15 million given to charity. And we are on a journey to zero waste by 2028. So this company is up to all the good. What I really appreciated about being a part of this community, not only as a consumer, but a sharer of Isagenix, is that you really become a part of the family dynamic, the family culture. It is so warm, as even though it is such a large company, not so much the headquarters. The headquarters is it is in Gilbert, Arizona. It is a beautiful headquarters. If you ever have the chance to go visit, please do. It's so worth it. But just the fact that globally there is this very large presence, and there's so many people from all walks of life, all ages, colors, ethnicities, whatever you name it. We are all a part of one family that has one goal in mind, and that is to bring, the art of well-being into everybody's dynamic. And so I'm really grateful for that. And so with that being said, we are here to eat better, feel better, look better, move better, do better, simply better together. And that is what Isagenix is all about. And so it's not necessarily about having a banging body, being a certain size or a certain weight. It really is about just feeling better. And we know the times that we're living in right now, we really need to take better care of our living vessel. And I like to say that our body is our greatest asset. And so what we're doing with this vehicle is going to allow us to have a life that unfolds in so much abundance. And so I love to ask this question because oftentimes we're just existing, but are you really living your best life, or are you really just showing the highlight reels of just the pockets of your life that you love? Or as a whole, are you in love with the life that you're living today? And that's a really important question to ask ourselves as we're striving for better, right? Because it is about accepting where we are right now and taking initiative to make changes, right? But that is definitely a personal responsibility that we have to take in order for us to make the necessary changes to live our best lives. So what is it that you would like to do to improve? Would you like to eat better, feel better, look better, move better, do better, or all the things? Because at the end of the day, wellness is a conglomerate of things, right? And we need to address a lot of different aspects of our life in order for us to be able to bring this more of a cohesiveness and fluidity into our life that is going to allow our days to unfold beautifully. So the art of well-being is about crafting new experiences, making healthier choices, and belonging to better communities. So what is Isagenix all about as far as the products that we offer? Well, you know that we are committed to no compromise here. And so you're going to get products that are backed by science and nature, responsible sourcing, undenatured way from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows. If you are a person who incorporates dairy into your diet, you know that you're going to get dairy that is not treated with routine antibiotics. So you're getting very, very clean, a very clean process of ingredients that you're getting in a superfood made with natural ingredients, gluten-free, and it goes through a pretty rigorous quality testing process so that we can find peace and comfort in knowing that what we're putting into our body is of high integrity. So one of the foundations of wellness is getting balanced nutrition. And so with the nutrition that Isagenix has to offer, we are getting a balanced nutrition whole blend isolene shake, which comes in whey as well as plant protein. And so you are getting a well-balanced macronutrient meal for less than $4 here at Isagenix. You're getting your vitamins and minerals from organic whole foods like spinach, kale, mushrooms, and more. You're getting 24 grams of protein that's going to support your muscle building and fat burning abilities. And it is available, like I said, in dairy-based as well as plant-based options. And we have quite a variety of flavors as well that are really delicious. So you're never going to really have a lack of options here, because there's so much within the product line that is going to give you exactly what you need to have a fulfilling and energy fueling day. So intermittent fasting has been kind of the craze in holistic wellness talks, and even just like in a lot of like fads and diets and stuff. But intermittent fasting, Isagenix has been at the forefront of intermittent fasting since the beginning. One of the products that was first launched was the Cleanse for Life. It was a very different blend. So we've evolved over the years. Even since I've been in Isagenix the last 5 years, we've definitely had a lot of evolution with the product offerings that we have. And so with this intermittent fasting and Cleanse for Life, you are getting more of a nutritionally supported fast. So it's not like you're going without food and starving yourself all day. You really just have to set aside at the max 48 hours to be able to allow the natural detoxification process of our body to work properly. So you're getting a blend of ingredients that are high in antioxidants and nutrients that your body needs, again, to allow the detoxification process to happen naturally. And our product line is filled with apps. There's quite a few products in our product line that is filled with adaptogens. So if you don't know what adaptogens are, it's okay, because there is a lot of really great quality information on which I will put in the description box below this video, more information about adaptogenic herbs. But basically, to sum it all up, is just that it helps your body adapt to stressful environments. So you have, again, a blend of very potent herbs that help your body's ability to come back into harmony. Because Isagenix, what it means is balance of the body. So with these systems, you're getting a complete reset, and it's something that you can incorporate into your daily life where it doesn't feel like a diet. And so it's going to help improve your mental focus and physical performance, especially if you're incorporating cleansing on a monthly basis. We have nutrient dense snacks here. So these aren't the only ones that we offer, but these are part of the whole blend Isoline bar line. And then we have whey as well as plant-based options that are meal replacements as well. So it's not just smoothies, it's also bars, it's supplements. There's a lot of different products that are offered. With the daily nutritional support, these vitamins are probably like top of the line vitamins that you don't necessarily have to worry about having all these bottles, right? It's they are streamlined in 2 little AM and PM packets. They have all the essential offerings that you need aside from the superfood that you're getting with the smoothies, and you're going to be able to support muscle function, immune function, and healthy skin. Isogenesis is like having a facelift in a bottle. So it's basically helping your DNA get repaired and regenerate so that you are aging gracefully if you are, more mature, or you are staying young and vibrant if you are still in your maybe 18, 19, early 20s. You are getting a good head start on making sure that the oxidative stress is not, aging you in a way that is going to not allow you to thrive in your body. So there's healthy targeted solutions that we offer. Very simple, right? I can't tell you how many people I talk to that have struggles with sleep, with digestion, not getting enough vegetables in their diet, energy. They're always going to the snack machine or just mindlessly eating and just really need help with performance. So we have so many solutions that are targeted for your specific needs that will really help you get a grip on the holistic wellness that you want to incorporate into your daily life. So we are scientifically validated with Isagenix compared to the Heart Healthy Diet. You're going to notice that if you incorporate these systems consistently, right, because it is about developing new habits, developing a new mindset when it comes to nutrition as a whole, really. So with Isagenix, it's just the tool. It's the tools and the resources that you need in order for you to be able to streamline the process, right, to holistic healing. So you're going to have 2 times more weight loss, 78% more fat loss, and 2 times more lean muscle mass retention over the course of your life. So that's one of the things that I've noticed, in the 5 years that I've been incorporating Isagenix consistently, is that, I mean, I was a yo-yo dieter. Like, I was literally always going up and down until I started incorporating these systems, and even going through the reset process. I tend to feel a little bit more pain more than I did like bliss, because when you're going through a detoxification process, your body tends to respond differently, right? It's always like, there's a saying that says, the definition of insanity is doing something over and over again and expecting different results. Well, that's the same thing with your wellness, is that if you are struggling with your wellness on a day-to-day basis, you have to take the necessary 1% shifts every single day to develop new habits that are going to be sustainable over time. And so this is what Isagenix helps you do. I have been able to maintain, actually lose weight consistently over the last 5 years, not going up and down, right? Either going steady or losing the weight. And for me, it was about weight loss in the beginning, but then it became more about my mind, body, and soul connection, where I just wanted to feel better all the time, mentally, spiritually, physically, and to just have the energy, right, to thrive throughout my days. And so this is really the biggest thing that Isagenix has done for me. And, we are a very, very large community of people. And what you'll see here is that these are people that have gone through IsaBody, actually, and I will talk about that in the next couple slides. IsaBody is a 16-week challenge. So when you think about developing a lifestyle, because that's what ISA Life is all about, is a wellness lifestyle where you can incorporate practices in your daily life that are going to give you consistency, right? So we have all the tools that we need. IsaBody is 16 weeks, so it gives you enough time to develop a lifestyle, develop new habits and new disciplines that are going to keep you accountable, right? And you have a ton of people throughout this Isagenix global world that you have access to that are doing the same thing that you're doing. They're addressing, unnecessary habits, and they're replacing them with new habits that are going to give us results like these. And again, it's not about, a small size or a certain weight. It really is about the confidence to that you need in order for you to live out your purpose, right? Because at the end of the day, this is about fulfilling purpose. This is something greater than us. Our bodies are living vehicles that we use to be representations of something greater. And so these are the amazing people, and you'll notice is that all these people are from so many different walks of life, shades, ages, sizes, reasonings behind, their wanting to implement Isagenix into their life. And so that you're going to have a team of people that are rooting you on if that is what you desire. So IsaBody, you can achieve your goals with the support from thousands of people within the IsaBody community. It's something that you can keep to yourself, or you can share, a part of our social media platforms. You can earn up to $600 in free Isagenix products per year. So once you end, I'm on in IsaBody right now. I just ended one in September, re-enrolled, and my next one ends on January 7th. So I'm really excited about that, because I have been achieving some major goals this IsaBody. So it's just a way for you to keep accountable. Plus, it's great because you get free merchandise, you get free food, and it's free to join. So it's awesome that we have this support system in this community, because there's no reason why you shouldn't be successful. All you have to do is put the products into your body, right? So you'll love these products so much that you'll want to share. Like, it happened naturally for me. My first month, I remember feeling so great the first week. The first month I lost 10 pounds, which was a huge deal because I hadn't even been able to move the scale in a year, not 1 pound. And so that was the missing component in my life, was that I was working a very high stressful corporate job. And then I was marathon training and I wasn't eating enough. I was stressed out. And so these products, what they did was they gave me everything that I needed. They gave me the nutrition, they gave me the detoxification results, and they also, allowed me to manage my stress better. So naturally, of course, I was going to share, because every time we have an amazing experience, whether it's with a service, whether it's with a restaurant, with a brand that we find, an online store, whatever it is, we always are so quick to share if we have a good experience. So this is what you could do to get paid for sharing something you love. I remember a few years ago, I read this book by Grant Cardone. It's called Sell or Be Sold. And he talked about the fact that we're always being bombarded with purchases, so consumerism. So either we're on this end of the screen where we are always consuming, or we are consuming with intention, where we can actually create a steady flow of income with something that we're consuming. So in this case, it would be with food and supplements, which that there's hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that just want to feel good. And they're always looking for solutions. In fact, you go to the grocery store and there's so many options, but yet the grocery stores don't give you rebates like Isagenix would. So we know that the need for money is everybody is on the hunt for making more money. And to be quite honest with you, these are facts right here, that today's national total student debt is over 1.5 trillion. We have over 30 million people out of work. They're working side jobs, selling online, renting rooms, giving rides, trading ideas. So all of this is not new. As far as, there being companies where you can have the opportunity to create a side hustle or to create a full-time stream of income by doing something that would be done maybe sometimes in the pockets of your life. But because life is expensive, life, according to Yahoo Finance, only 9% of Americans earn $100,000 per year. And according to the USA Today, the average credit card balance is $6,200. According to Harvard University, 40 million Americans live in housing they cannot afford. And trust me, these were all things that I was already thinking about before Isagenix came into my life, because one, I graduated in 2007 when we had an economy crash, and I was not the fortunate one that came out of school without debt. I definitely know what it's like to have a lot of student loan debt, and also to at some point live paycheck to paycheck. So this is not something new. I've always been a hustler, and I've always understood the idea of making money, but something shifted when I learned about this solution in particular. And I'm a big fan of direct sales. So when you find a solution or a company that really resonates with your lifestyle, that's when things really shift. But again, more facts. People need more take-home pay. So there's 3 bullet points, and the first one talks about the monthly take-home from 100,000 annual salary, 2 annual salary needed to buy a home, and 3 average credit card debt. So you'll notice at the bottom that it lists some of the most expensive cities in the US: Los Angeles, Denver, Houston, Chicago, New York. I lived in Chicago, Los Angeles, and I visited the other cities, and I know firsthand that these places are not cheap to live. And so you have more people, aiming for more, as far as like working more, trying to keep up with the Joneses, and trying to, keep up with the life that our society is teaching us to live, right? And so just know that there is the opportunity to make more money, to create more wealth by doing something that you love and that's going to be more meaningful. And, talking about one of the most valuable assets that we have, not only our body, but our time. And so many people right now are still trading time for money. I did it majority of my life. So why partner with us? Well, this is the business of the 21st century. I mean, Isagenix is not the first direct sales company, but Isagenix is definitely a company that's doing it right, and it's a company of high integrity. So with this opportunity, you'll have no overhead, employees, or inventory. There's no special degrees needed, ability to work from anywhere, no artificial caps on earning potential, time flexibility and leverage, personal development growth, positive culture with training and community support, incredible nutrition and benefits, an additional source of income, and lifelong friendships. I mean, you cannot beat that. And one of the things that, if you think about a traditional business, you need, especially for like a franchise business, an average of 50,000 and above to just start. And then you're literally taking a risk where you're like jumping off of a cliff unless you have the collateral up front, like you've saved your money. But at the end of the day, there's no guarantee, especially the way that the economy has shifted this year. I mean, we've seen so many corporate brick and mortar businesses go under. Because there is a shift and people are now starting to shop more online. People want, their goods delivered to them, even when it comes to their own grocery store. I mean, there's the order online, go pick up at the store in the delivery. So we're noticing major shifts and trends that we're starting to see where we need to get ahead of the game with this. So I mean, not only do you have the option to create an income with this, and you don't have to pick and choose. Like, I became a consumer with no desire to share. There was no desire for me to start like a side hustle at that time because I just had enough with my corporate life. But I knew that I was not happy there, and I knew that I did wanted to shift. So this gave me the opportunity to not only feel better, but also have the growth mindset, that we have the ability to live better every day too. And so with this business opportunity, even if you're doing this just to pay for your products, or to create another stream of income that's going to be sustainable over time, because right now we're looking for sustainability. We don't want a quick fix, right? This is not something that you're gonna become a millionaire overnight, right? This is something that it's a skill-based business, but this gives you the opportunity to get daily pay, weekly commissions, and monthly bonuses. So how do we get started? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is set up an account. So you would connect with the person who introduced you to Isagenix. In this case, it would be me. And it would take less than 10 minutes to set up the account, and it's free, especially if you're going to be a consumer, it's free. Step 2, so you would upgrade to associate. So this is where you would, become a consumer. And then if it's something that you desire to take to the next level, you can upgrade your account to associate, which is a $29 fee, which is nothing considering everything that you're getting. You're getting your own online grocery store, and fulfillment is already done. So really all you have to do is share it with the people that you love, and even with complete strangers. I mean, I share with everybody that I know. And so how do we begin sharing our products? So like I mentioned earlier, we're natural born network marketers without even knowing it, because we're always sharing products that we love. The difference is that oftentimes when we're sharing products, we're not getting rebates and we're not getting paid for it. So, joining with direct sales companies, you have the opportunity to get top shelf, high integrity products. And you also get the opportunity to build an income producing asset. And in this case, you're building an income producing asset using your grocery money. So it is a two-team business where you share with a person on your right and you share with a person on your left. And so if both of these people were to get started with a value pack, which is actually our most it's our most valuable pack, and the pack that's going to give you the best results. It's going to introduce you to majority of the products on the product line. So with this pack, you are investing about $600. And with that investment, you would get $100 back for sharing it with one friend. Now, if you share it with both friends or family members or strangers, whoever it is that you decide to share with, Isagenix pays you $100, but then if you share it with the two people within 1 week, Monday through Sunday, that's a full commission week. Isagenix doubles it for you. So you are getting a product incentive bonus for just sharing with the people that you love. And so you not only are sharing it with two people, but you're also allowing these people or showing these people how they can make their money back as well, in product incentive bonuses, by also just, getting their products paid for or taking it a little bit further. And, a lot of people really like to experience the product experience before they start to share. And there's some people that jump right in understanding the concept of building an income producing asset. And especially when it's with an expense that is never going to go away, it's a win-win situation. So, you teach them how to do the same that you did. And so the more that you share, the more of an ability that you have to create cycles. So this is almost as though you're getting immediate dividends, and then you're also looking at it as an investment over time, where the more that you invest into it, the more that it grows. So you don't get this opportunity in corporate America. Usually the person at the top is the CEO, right? And with the CEO, there's so many people that are fighting for that position. So once the CEO leaves, there's only one position that's open up for you to, and it's like going to take you a while to get to that position, right? So with direct sales, it's very different. It's a very different structure that you have in order for you to create legacy wealth. And there's really no cap to how much you can make. So you're building two teams, you're earning cycle pay on your entire organization. If some person came in after me, you have the ability to make more than me. So it really is going to be the amount of effort and you understanding the vision, right? You understanding that this is something that will never happen overnight, but you have the ability to go pretty fast if you want to, or you can take it really slow. In my case, for me, it was more about a personal transformation concern that I had. And I mean, there was a lot of things that I was working through my own journey. So I have been building very, very slow, but I like to say that that slow and steady wins the race. So, you're never going, not in a corporate environment or anyway, like where you're trading your time for money, you're not going to be able to have the ability to create something like this that's going to be legacy wealth that you can pass on generation upon generation. And so there's so much depth in these structures for you to be able to create sustainable income that you do the work once, and this is going to continue to build over time where you can create a stream of income while you sleep. So the earning potential, like I said, is limitless with Isagenix. You have the ability to, on a weekly basis, do up to 250 cycles. And so you'll notice, like, once you become a customer, you'll notice that every product has a bonus point, or like bonus points, or business volume, you would call it. And so the business volume that you create will allow you to create the cycles. So just to give you an example, 250 cycles would be $13,500. What could you do with $13,500 a week? Can you imagine that? Not only having the body that you want, the money that you want, and the time to enjoy both. Honestly, there is just nothing that compares to that. Or, I mean, you just can't put a price on that. So simply redirect some of your food budget. Like I was talking about, food is something that will never stop spending money. In fact, remember when before Isagenix came into my life, I wasn't really paying attention to how much money I was spending on a monthly basis. So this gave me the opportunity to really self-reflect, self-correct, and just like consistently evaluate what I was doing. So basically what I did was I reallocated a portion of the money that I was spending at like Whole Foods, Natural Grocers, Sprouts, like all these different grocery stores, right? And so I just redirected it to my Isagenix food budget. And so I was replacing 2 meals, and I have been replacing 2 meals for the last 5 years. And so technically, Isagenix is not supposed to cost you more. In fact, it's supposed to save you money over time, especially because you're creating an income producing asset with your food expense. And not only that, but you're spending it on food that is going to give you the results and is going to make you feel good. And that's ultimately the goal again. So on average, 10% of income goes towards food costs, which is about $660 per customer per month. And that $660 includes $372 of food at home, on food at home, and $288 on food consumed away from home. And that's including fast food, takeout, deliveries, vending machines, food trucks. I mean, and this is on the low end, because I've talked to people that have spent about $1,500 a month individually on food. And that's like going out to eat every day. So with 3 meals per day times 30 days per month, that's 90 meals per month. $660 divided by 90 meals per month, that's $7.33 per meal per person. And one whole blend Iceland shake is less than $4 a serving. So you are, at the end of the day, saving money. So we like to introduce our systems as packs, because every single product on the product line works synergistically together to allow your body to function at an optimal level. So think of it as the good, better, best, right? So the better that, or the more that you pay, the more that you invest, the more you are getting to incorporate into your daily life. So you'll notice that the basic pack, every single pack is going to have 56 superfoods. So that's going to be equivalent to 2 meals a day for 30 days. So essentially, because oftentimes people don't shop once a month. Usually they'll go to the grocery store every couple of days. I know for me, like, because I shop for fresh produce, I'm vegan. So I shop for a lot of fresh produce when I go to the store. And so I'm at the store every couple of days because I'm buying fruits and vegetables that tend to go, they tend to perish a lot faster. So with this, you're getting whole food blends, and you're getting in the convenience of a way where it's not going to go bad right away, and you are getting a substantial amount of nutrients in these packs. So you're getting your products for superfood on a daily basis, and you're also getting the alternatives to be able to cleanse the body as well as address the stressful environments. So the basic pack is going to be $9 a day. So that's an initial investment of about $300, give or take. And the premium pack, same thing. It's just adding these additional boxed products. And this one's $14 a day. So it's going to be initially a $400 investment. With the value pack, you are getting a good amount of products. So like I'm saying, this is the best value, the biggest bang for your buck, where you can share with your immediate family members. I mean, you have so much product here, and this one's $20 a day. So this is an initial investment of $600. So a lot of people tend to do these packs because they find that it's just easier for you to stay accountable, and it's actually saving money over time. You feel better. It takes the guesswork out of eating healthy. So, you have these options, as well as the options to be able to buy these things individually, because again, it's not going to cost you extra to get an account. You are getting a wholesale account complimentary. But if I say that if you're going to invest, to go big or go home, so that you can actually like experience the full benefits of what Isagenix has to offer. And then after the 30-day reset, you can decide, what works for you, whether you want to go down, if you're maintenance and you want to do one shake and you want to do some of the energy fueling stuff, you can kind of make your own packs, however you want to do it, but you're going to have your own online grocery store. So it's like you can manage that from your own online grocery store, and I can show you how to do that. It's very simple. So I mean, that's it. It really is just knowing what Isagenix is, making the decision that you want something different, right? And that you've tried everything and nothing else else has worked, and you're looking for solutions that are going to be more sustainable for you. So this is it, guys. I mean, this is such an amazing opportunity, like I said, that has really transformed my life. So if I'm the person who introduced you to Isagenix and you're watching this video, I'm going to put my contact information in the description box below, like I said. And so you have the ability to contact me directly and get back to the person who introduced you to Isagenix. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, so there's really no risk, and you have so much to gain. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you soon. Thank you.